Welcome back. You're watching 5 Talk Street. I'm Scott Murray. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, world-renowned for its compassion and its mission to help children with catastrophic diseases at no cost whatsoever to their families. Many of those families are right here in North Texas, and here to tell us all about what this incredible hospital does every single day and how you too can be a part of it is Missy Wrench. She is the co-chair of the St. Jude Notes of Hope. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for
having
me here.
That's coming up here in the month of May.
It is. It's coming up on Saturday, May 19th, and it will be at the Frontier Flight Museum.
Which is right adjacent to over there on Lemon Avenue, right next to Love
right
Field,
near Love
right?
Field. Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay.
And this is actually our second event. We had one last year. It was very successful, and so we wanted to go ahead and try our hands one more time.
Everything St. Jude does is successful. This is one of the most incredible hospitals, and this is a special year because I think this is your 50th anniversary, which is pretty good stuff. 1962, entertainer, ambassador for children, Danny Thomas says, you know what, got to make a difference. Leukemia, catastrophic diseases. I mean, it's unbelievable what he's done in the last 50 years. Of course, he has passed, but his daughter continues, Marlo, continues to continue on this incredible legacy. So congratulations to this wonderful group of people who continue to do what they do. I've been there several times, and I'm just a big advocate for all they do. And we are very fortunate because here in this area, we have a couple of great children's hospitals, but what they do there is just really something. So now that I've gotten on my soapbox and told you what a great place it is, because it really is. Tell us about this event and how this all came about.
Well, it really came about. A group of friends, we all graduated from SMU grad school.
Okay.
We became friends with the granddaughter of Danny Thomas, and wonderful girl, and we
just said, hey, let's make a difference. What do we do,
well,
right?
They really wanted to start an event in the Dallas area that catered to families, not just adults.
Raise a little money, raise a little awareness,
Absolutely.
right?
Really just get children interested in benevolence and giving back to the community. And so we started this last year. It was, completely grassroots.
Well, it's a first-time thing. It's always tough, and you wonder, what's going to happen, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
And we were blown away. We raised about $40,000 for the charity and had approximately 350 people at the Frontiers of Flight Museum, and it was awesome.
So if all of those people had such a great time and they come back this year and just bring one friend, we're talking about doubling it to what, 600-700 people?
And there's plenty of space there, so.
Well, if somebody out there would say, I'd like to be a part of that, sounds like a great time. Tell us the date again. It's May 19th, right?
May 19th.
It's a Saturday night.
Saturday.
But it's really 5 to 8 so the kiddos can come,
so
right?
the kids
That's the
can
whole
come.
idea?
It's specifically for kids. It's going to be catered by Sunny Bryan's.
Okay.
We have desserts by Nothing Bundt Cakes, the Great American Cookie, and Marble Slab of Preston Center.
So lots of goodies for the kiddos.
Oh, so much. And then the most exciting thing is really the entertainment. We have School of Rock is going to have a band there that's going to be performing, and it's the kids are age 9 through 11. So they're going to do a segment. We're going to have Powerhouse of Dance is going to come and do some performances. The lab at Lakewood is going to have a slime booth. We're going to have the Little Gym is going to be there for some fun stuff. Dallas variety band Dallas Unlimited will be there. Silent auction, all sorts of great stuff.
Boy, this is like a trip to the amusement park, but right in one place, right there, huh?
It's going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, that's fantastic. But for the entire family, and I think that's the key, right?
Absolutely.
We want everybody to know it's for the entire family.
The entire family. Ticket prices are very reasonable, $50 for adults, $25 for children ages 3 to 9, and kids 2 and under are free. And it really is just so much fun. Last year, the kids were dancing to the band the entire time. We're also going to have a patient family from the Metroplex that will be there to kind of explain the experience that they had. And one thing that we really do want to get across, the reason to support this charity is that St. Jude is not located in Dallas, but the protocols, the research that they come up with is shared with hospitals all throughout the world.
And that doesn't always happen.
No.
What they do with hospitals all around the world is incredible. One of the great statistics, young man, Roger Sisson, sat in front of me in class my junior year. And we were getting ready to find out that we'd gone on to our senior year in high school. And 3 days before our last day of school, he passed away from leukemia. And he had the form of leukemia, the most common, I think it's AAL, I think is what or ALL. And what happened was the cure rate at that time was 4%. It is now 94%. Thank you, St. Jude.
Absolutely.
I mean, that's incredible. So, and that helps kids all over the world.
It does.
Why do you stay involved?
It's a really neat thing. I have a 3-year-old and a 6-month-old at home, and one of the most important things that I want to pass on to them is the importance of giving back and being a good person in the community. And that's a huge reason.
Well, you're off to a great start because
Well,
this is
thank
super
you.
what you're involved with. Number 2, the second year, the sophomore drinks, not a part of this, right?
Pardon?
The sophomore jinx? They said that in baseball. Guy's second year of football, it's a sophomore
yes.
jinx if he doesn't have a good season after a rookie of the year.
Well, you have to teach
Too
me
much
about
information.
that.
That's too much sports for you. Thank you.
Thank
you.
you
Really.
so much.
And we'll see you on the 19th.
Absolutely.
Sounds like a deal. Sounds like a deal. St. Jude Children's Hospital, be a part of it. Coming up on the 19th of May at the Frontiers of Flight Museum from 5 till 8. Bring the whole family. Don't go away. We're coming right back.